All right, next example is number 8. Again, very similar to the question like number 8 on the quiz on Friday. Now, what we're looking at is we have 3x plus 4y equals 24. And essentially what we need to solve for, it's going to say in the stem of it, solve for y. So we're going to solve for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a circle around y. Well, notice the y is kind of attached to that 4, so we're going to deal with that last. What do we need to get rid of first is the 3x. You know, I know one thing we talk about is making sure we know both sides of the equation. We have a left side and a right side. So we need to get rid of that 3x in order to get y by itself. So how do you get rid of 3x? You're going to subtract 3x to both sides. And what happens here is you're left with 4y equals, and notice you have 24 and a negative 3x. Those are not like terms, so you can't combine those. So what you do is you just write them out the way it says. So that's negative 3x, and that's a positive 24, so you're going to put plus 24. If that was a negative 24, then you just put minus 24. But that, again, a lot of people struggle with just getting to that point right there. Notice all we did was we subtracted 3x to both sides. Now the last step is essentially, again, we're getting y by itself. The 4 is with it through multiplication, so in order to get rid of that, I have to divide everything by 4. So that 4 is gone, and you're left with y equals negative 3 over positive 4. That doesn't simplify, so that's going to stay negative 3 over 4x. 24 over 4 simplifies to 6. Just simple division. This does not break down. There's nothing that simplifies more than negative 3 over 4. That's why we kept it negative 3 over 4. And 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So hopefully that helped. Again, pay attention. Go back and watch this video again and again till you fully understand it. Maybe write the problem down and try it on your own. But again, come to class with questions, and we can definitely answer those in class.